how to make and monetize your blog fast if you have Digim white label. It's pretty much simple. If you already have Digim white labels, you will get something like this: blog.yourdomain.com, and they will be designed and personalized based on what you have and what your business and needs and industries. And there will be blog like this, and this blog is not demo, this is real blog, and we will show you how real customers paid us and how many organic views we got. This is total organic views, and you see already that it looks like premium contents. Is you don't need to wait for Google AdSense approval. You can make instantly monetize your blog. So those person who are prestigious person, award winners, PhD holder, professors, lecturer in different kind of topics, subjects, they can have these features, and they can post it, and they can mention insightful information over there with the monetization. So you need to read all these things. You need to pay us or pay them. And what if your person, the readers, pay you and they are reading entire blogs and clear cache and cookies of their browsing, or came back 1 year later, they might gonna see this again. So you don't need to pay again because you already paid, and you just need to restore access. It's quite easy and automated. When you click over here, you will see an option to restore your blog if you already paid, and you can read all these things. So as a bloggers or as a prestigious person, if you post any blogs, your blog's never gonna get unpaid. And if the person pay you, they don't need to pay the same blogs multiple times. So it's also save your reputations. Also it saves so many issues that you saw in other platforms. So what happens, I already told you this entire blog is not a demo. So what happens if you make a quality blogs with SEO optimizations and you get paid for these blogs? So you will get a dashboard something like this if you have a Digim white labels. And here's the blog, and there is options to how to create a new blog. You can copy paste from your docs or from your AI LLMs, titles. If you're already doing the blogging, you already know these options. This portion will be removed, and here is the paid part. You can see $4.99, and you can see 5% teasers, 75 almost fulls. It means how much portions you want to show for free in your blog. Later on, more will be there. You can specifically hide those specific images and articles that you want. So why we needed to AI powers and manual options on this part? Because those people who do research and developments and prestigious person who write high deep information related blogs and articles, they don't use AI. They do themselves. They have a lab. They have so many things. They do research themselves, and they write blogs and try to make it monetize. Sometimes they publish for free. So if you're published for free, you just click over here. So why you need to use ours? Since there is several system like this. Number one, you don't need to have so many plugins like SEO plugins. You don't need to have SEO expert for optimize your blog, because right after posting it will highly optimize itself for SEO and GEO. So you will never ever need to worry about SEO, and it will reduce your 10x usage cost of AI, because when you will buy the Digim white labels, you will get AI powered options over here. Like you can just enter the topic, they will write their blogs, they will understand your entire niche and understand based on this. Every week they will post, or if you want them daily, they will post daily. It's all based on what you will configure, and everything will be automated, post, and then it will be shared in the social media. and it will look 100% SEO factor based, GEO factor based. So you can do automated, also you can do manually yourself. So that's what will happen. So as we say, this is not a demo, this is a real blog about FICA tax, payroll, and all this insightful informations are there. So we make it hide, so people pay us and read enter information because it's handy and it's gonna help those people who are trying to save the money in payroll tax and W2 tax employees. So we also got clients who pay us and read enter blog, and when somebody pay us and we want to see who pay us and how much and when, and then we can see in blog purchase. And when you will have a click Digim white label, you will get all these features and options, and you can also customize your features, and you can see all these people already bought this blog, and you can also see a pending, which means he submitted these forms but he forgot to pay us. I mean, he forgot to pay on Stripe or PayPal, whatever it is. Maybe power went off or he lost the internet and he forgot to pay us. So this is pending. So what we will do, we will contact with that person through the mails or call her or call him, then we will get paid. So for their personal privacies, I'm not showing the name and email address of them, but this is actually happen when you get a quality platform. So you will never ever gonna get what you see over here, and every new SEO and search engine algorithms will be changed. We will instantly automatically update these because myself, I'm also an SEO expert. This entire systems was built by under my guidance, and I also made many people 6 figures debt free, broke free. I know how make things happen that bring money on the table, and I put all of my 7-8 years career brain into these systems. So you don't need to do any hard works. You can stop learning and start earning instantly without so many brain hammering stuff, because nowadays 99% white level systems, you need to study, you need to understand, you need to learn, but here you are getting everything. You are also getting team who will set your business, who you don't need to hire any freelancers, who will manage your systems and help you to understand, also train your enterprise employee if we got enterprise contact with you. Okay,